The Americans have a wide variety of creative pizzas. As simple as the margherita and as complex as a pasta stuffed pizza, you can find it all. You'll also enjoy Chicago style pizza, the pizza pie, the pepperoni pizza, and a lot more. One thing which is common and that you'll see in all their pizzas is the load of cheeses. They use a variety of cheeses ranging from mozzarella to cheddar to provolone, parmesan, ricotta, and more. Indian pizza sees quite a variation from regions as well as the standard of the place you're eating at. Although the base is similar to the traditional Italian pizza, the toppings tend to be spicier and more of vegetables. The Desi pizza, as locals call it, has a spicy tomato gravy which is topped with veggies like bell peppers, onions, cubes of cottage cheese which is paneer, and processed cheese. You can find this Desi pizza on the streets. The Turkish pizza, or what they call the lahmacun, is quite similar to the regular pizza made of a flour dough, except that it is much thinner and can be folded or rolled while eating. Alas, they don't put cheese over the pizza. It is all about minced meat and kebabs. Some toppings include sausage, green pepper, and tomatoes. Lahmacun is usually eaten with meatballs, the perfect meal for the Turks. The authentic taste of pizza from the United Kingdom is famous around the world. The base is simply made of flour and yeast, while the base toppings include tomato sauce and cheese. Lots of people like to have extra toppings that include pepperoni, ham, mushrooms, olives, and other vegetables among others. Other creative stuffed pizzas are also common these days. Brazilians have very distinctive taste palettes, unlike an American pizza which has tomato sauce and cheese. Toppings may include everything you can imagine like chicken and catupiry cheese, mashed potatoes, sausage, chocolate, chicken and coconut milk, etc. You can still expect our basic ingredients like mozzarella and oregano on the top. What we see a Mexican pizza is beans and sauces and tortilla chips over the top, right? Well, we all gotta refine our knowledge. The authentic Mexican pizza is called tlayudas, whose base is basically the tortillas made of corn flour. The tortillas are placed on a comal to get hot, after which a layer of aziento, which is unrefined pork lard, is applied, followed by mashed beans and a generous amount of cheese, usually queso fresco, which is unsalted cheese. The traditional pizza originating in Buenos Aires, Argentina is called fugaza. The popularity of fugaza comes with its toppings of caramelized onions. The base is a sourdough which has a spongy consistency and more water than the regular pizza dough. Argentinians say that they add more yeast to their pizza because they do not like to wait longer for it to rise. Finally, coming to the country who originated our favorite pizza, after which it widely spread with different versions around the world. The margherita is the simplest with tomato sauce and cheese. They also have pizza fungi e prosciutto, which is topped with mozzarella, mushrooms and ham, and pizza e tartufo, which comes with a truffle. Another version also has speck, which is a type of ham, and gorgonzola, a special Italian cheese. Kids love pizza wurst alle palatine, which is a pizza with mozzarella, sausage and french fries.